Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the free Nifty stock exchange admin dashboard template, totally free and fully responsive. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see the beautiful stock market exchange admin dashboard. See friends, the top section, see guys, the beautiful client section, notification toggle and user, and here are the stock rates: 55, 50, 50, BSE Sensex, and other icons. And see guys, the beautiful section, fund available, Nifty chart. See guys, the beautiful Nifty chart. 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and we can search as well. See my watch list, and here are the other stats. See guys, McDonald's. We will see, and the beautiful table as well. See guys, top gainer, top losers, and the footer. Now friends, let me show you its responsiveness. So guys, again I must say I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. So you'll get the free admin dashboard code as well. So your friends, toggle navbar, see the beautiful chart will work for all the devices guys. See, it's working for all the devices. So guys, see the beautiful admin dashboard free of cost. And guys, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. There's a blog, therichpost.com. You can contact me via here, the contact and advertise page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype, and my WhatsApp number as well. And guys, also, I'm a full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your project as well. So guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.